Cosmetic testing on animals is defined as using animal testing in the development of cosmetics, may involve testing either a finished product or individual ingredients of a finished product on animals, often rabbits, also mice, rats, and other animals. So many people will ask, well, why does this affect me? Why does this affect us as a society when it's the animals being tested and it's not affecting us at all? Well, not only is cosmetic testing on animals harmful for the animals involved, but it can also be harmful on humans that use the products that are being tested. This is one reason why cosmetic testing on animals should be banned worldwide. But there are three main reasons to why cosmetic testing on animals should be banned worldwide. The first reason is cosmetic testing is harmful on the animals that are being tested. Over 100 million animals are burned, crippled, poisoned, and abused in U.S. labs every year. An example of this would be the lethal dose test, or the LD50 test. This test forces animals to ingest toxic and lethal substances to the endpoint where 50% of the animals in the study die, and those that do not die are later killed. Also, the LD50 test does not measure human health hazards, but it only determines how toxic the product is on the type of animal that's being abused. So these are two reasons why cosmetic testing is harmful for animals. The next reason why cosmetic testing should be banned worldwide is because it's not only harmful on the animals that are being tested, but also it is harmful on humans. One of these reasons is because of misleading safety tests. According to the Huffington Post, in March 2006, 6 human volunteers were injected with the TGN 1412 drug, and they became extremely ill. Even though the TGN 1412 was injected in animals such as rabbits, mice, and monkeys, and didn't have any effects when they were tested with this drug. So, just because the animals are being tested and they don't have any side effects when they're tested doesn't mean it is safe for the humans that are trying the drug. Also, it causes researchers to throw away potential cures. Of every 5 of 10,000 drugs tested, only 5 make it to clinical trials. That means we are throwing away plenty of experimental drugs that have actually been shown to be helpful for humans that use it. So just because a product is harmful for an animal or is not harmful for the animal doesn't mean it's going to affect humans the same way. So this is another reason why cosmetic testing should be banned worldwide, because it is not being as effective as we hoped for it to be. The third and final reason why cosmetic testing should be banned worldwide is because there are many alternates out there to testing. In today's society, with the technology that we have no longer a need to test animals of these products. An example of this would be computer modeling. According to an article called Alternates to Animal Testing, a Review, computers can help understand various basic principles of biology. Computer-generated computer models and software programs help to design new medicines. Computer-generated simulations are used to predict various possible biological outcomes that affect drugs the way that animals would be tested too. So this is one reason why we don't need animals anymore, because we have computer models. Another reason is we have microorganisms. For example, Saccharomyces is the most popular and important model out there that we have to use because of its rapid growth, ease of replication, mutant isolation, dispersed cells, well-defined genetic systems, and highly versatile DNA transformation systems. So these are 2 examples of alternate tests that we can use instead of using animals. And these are probably more beneficial to us than the animals because of many reasons. So, in conclusion, cosmetic testing on animals should be banned for 3 main reasons. The first being, cosmetic testing is harmful for the animals being tested, and many animals are harmed in the process. The next reason is it is also harmful on humans because of misleading safety tests and because we are throwing away many possible cures every year. Lastly, there is no longer a need for animal testing for cosmetics because we have many alternatives out there, such as the computer models and microorganisms.